Hi, I'm Gary Berger at Berger Law. Many times folks try to handle their auto accident claims on their own, and I get it. You don't want to pay a lawyer. I actually have a book on my website, The 10 Biggest Mistakes People Make in Resolving Their Own Cases, and another book on how to decide whether to get another lawyer. You can see those at burgerlaw.com. However, if you try to resolve your case on your own, remember to try to give all your medical bills. Remember to talk about your wage loss damages. Talk about the time period that you're having pain and suffering and the symptoms you have, the other ways it affects you, things that you can't do now that you used to be able to do because of the injuries you sustained in that automobile truck collision or any other types of accidents. Communicate to them and try to get the highest number. When they say they can only offer you so much, demand a little bit more and say, I'll settle it if you give me an extra $1,000, $2,000, $500, whatever the range of your case. If it turns out that they're not treating you fairly and you're unable to get a resolution on your own, call us. We can help. That's what we do. I have a book, and there's some other ideas about how to negotiate. You remember, don't feel pressured to negotiate. Don't feel taken advantage of. They don't have to not pay 100%. They shouldn't be paying you 70% of your damages. There are a lot of tricks adjusters use. They do things like, well, you're only partially at fault. And you're sitting there going, I got rear-ended. I didn't do anything wrong. Of course I'm not at fault. The time limitations in Missouri is 5 years. Illinois is 2 years. There's different limitations periods. So you certainly have adequate time to treat. The one thing you want to make sure you don't do is don't settle your case before you're done with your medical treatment. You never want to be in a situation where you settle your case and need a back surgery later. Those are just some of the ideas I have about negotiating your own case. If it fails, call us. We'll help. 314-542-2222. Thanks.